JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon has made it a tradition to bash Bitcoin. He has been doing it for years, but now it looks like he is going to be investing into crypto on behalf of his very, very rich clients. He is creating a Bitcoin fund. This title from Zero Hedge says JP Morgan launches Bitcoin fund for rich clients after years of bashing crypto. Isn't that interesting? So Bitcoin had a little bit of a rocky past couple of weeks. It dropped quite a lot, went up a little bit, dropped again after bonehead Biden announced capital gains taxes, and the markets basically threw up, all the markets, including crypto. But now it's on the rise again. And a couple of things that I've learned through this past 2-week experience of this roller coaster crypto ride that we've been on. These uber rich individuals that were saying Bitcoin is going to zero and crypto is going to zero are the same people that are buying the dip. All these people that are bashing this asset class are the people that are secretly investing in this asset class. And the reason I say that is because we have less and less Bitcoin that's going to be available to the public. And my hunch, my gut tells me that the mainstream media, the oligarch class, the super wealthy are going to do their very best to make sure that everyday people don't get the opportunity to invest in Bitcoin and in crypto in general, but in Bitcoin in specific. And the reason is because they realize that this thing is heading up and they want to control it. So I think that a lot of the volatility that we saw in the past couple of weeks was due to these guys creating the dynamics for them to buy such a dip, creating the fear so that you did have certain people who did sell off, who weren't able to hold on. And then these guys come swooping in and buy up. And just general, what's the word? I guess fuckery that these oligarchs play with the population. And they don't want anyone to better their life. And Bitcoin and crypto has a fairly easy on-ramp to bettering your life. It's a pretty, I don't want to say it's easy, never investment advice, but if you do your research and you make good, sound, logical decisions, then you can better your life by investing in crypto. Let me just leave it like that. You don't really need much to improve your standing, your financial standing with crypto. A little time, a little research, a little common sense, and you can do it. And the oligarchs hate this. And the best part about it is that they don't control you. That's the best part about it. They also lose their control. When you get into crypto, it means that you break free from their control, and it must drive them crazy. So anyway, Jamie Dimon has been bashing crypto for years, and now he is creating a fund for a Bitcoin for his very wealthy clients. And I think that just proves the point that this guy was talking crap about crypto and Bitcoin because he wanted to scare the crap out of people so that he can get in there and scoop it all up. This is a tweet from Zero Hedge on January 25th, 2021. It says, JP Morgan's daily Bitcoin hit pieces out. Just how bad does JPM prop want to be long this? JPM prop want to be long this? ? And then Zero Hedge today sends a tweet. JP Morgan to offer actively managed Bitcoin fund via CoinDesk. Oh, so that's why JP Morgan was talking down Bitcoin for the past 3 months. The fund, which could launch as soon as the summer, will reportedly involve institutional ship NYDIG, which will serve as JPM's Bitcoin custody provider. In a notable break from other passively managed Bitcoin funds offered by Galaxy Digital and Grayscale, JPM's crypto fund will be actively managed, allowing the bank to charge higher fees, of course. Of course. And so Bitcoin is back on the rise. Like those other funds, the JP Morgan Fund will allow institutions and wealthy clients to buy exposure to Bitcoin without actually having to buy, store, and secure their own coins. The fund will be offered to the bank's private wealth clients, which mostly caters to wealthy individuals and family offices. Remember, guys, if it's not your keys, it's not your coins. But I definitely understand that some people don't want to go through the trouble of learning how to store it and secure it and having to manage it. So if you're a high net worth individual and you actually trust JP Morgan, then you kind of say, here's $100 million and, you know, go crazy, guys. Buy up crypto. So, yeah, the games the oligarchs play. The games the oligarchs play. Just don't, every time they say something, just, it's the reverse. It's the reverse. That's it. In a sudden reversal, JP Morgan's traders, once threatened with firing should they dare touch Bitcoin, will soon get their chance to trade the pioneering cryptocurrency on the bank's behalf. JP Morgan Chase will soon launch its own actively managed Bitcoin fund, making JPM the latest US mega bank to embrace hawking crypto assets rather than struggling to co-opt blockchain technology for its own purposes. Look, this is great news for Bitcoin, great news for crypto. Once again, it legitimizes the asset class even further. Not that it needs it at this point, but JP Morgan surrendering and saying, you know what, publicly surrendering, even though I think privately they were buying up, but publicly coming out and saying, okay, we're going to stop bashing Bitcoin and start buying Bitcoin, once again, is really good for the crypto industry. But it plays to the fact that these super wealthy oligarchs, they'll get on TV and they'll give investment advice and they'll always say, you know, I'm looking out for the people and I'm telling you guys, don't invest in this, don't do that, but buy this and buy that. They never have our best interest in minds. Never. Anyway, guys, that's the video. Go to the Duran shop, use the code REALNEWS, 10% off. 10% off all merch. Take care.